everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, hit the red subscribe button down below and that'll keep you up to date with all my new content coming soon. So today I have had the busiest week of our lives. Honestly, Miles has finished nursery, it has been his birthday, we've had kids come in and go in with the summer holidays. The house is trashed. I have had no time all week to tidy, so I'm going to be doing the biggest power hour ever to try and get it all sorted ready for the weekend. Honestly, every room is trashed, so off we go. I forgot to also mention I'm in my Jimmy jammies because I want to stay nice and comfy. So I have bought myself a new present because I'm so fed up with my other one. It didn't pick any of the rubbish up. This is the new Vax Air Stretch Ultimate, and my god, is it amazing. It's on offer in Argos at the minute for £80 off, and it's got loads of attachments. I highly recommend. I will be doing a review on it soon, and it's so good. So it has been 54 minutes of tidying up, cleaning, hoovering, and I am pretty happy with what I got done. Right now I am knackered. Oh my goodness, it's so hot, but I really enjoyed it, and I'm so happy that I got it done because now I've got the whole weekend to not have to worry about any of it. I mean, the upstairs, I didn't get any of it done in time, but I can maybe do another one tomorrow with then tidying the upstairs. So I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. And I'll see you all soon. Bye!